Hello guys, welcome again. Welcome to the class channel. Today in this video, we are going to participate on Starknet Airdrop Positioning. It's been a while now that Starknet is already in mainnet, so we haven't performed any tasks there to position ourselves for possible airdrop. Even though the Stark, which is the token, which is the coin for Starknet, is already been the devs already talk about it. That means there is going to be Stark coin. So, or let me say Stark token. So now to begin, I hope you guys already have your Mrs. browser. If you don't have, you can download it from your Play Store or from your App Store. So when you have downloaded it, let us enter it now. So here we go. As you all know, guys, before we can start this tutorial, first you need to download your Agent X wallet. Just come to your come to your browser, your Mrs. browser search box, and then type for Agent X wallet extension. So when you type it like this, it will show you a link to direct you to Chrome Web Store. So when you go to Chrome Web Store, make sure to download your Agent X wallet. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. After you have downloaded it, you can now set it up. So after you have set it up, let me show you how it will look. Here is my Agent X wallet. Here is how it will look. It will show you something like upgrade required. That means you need to activate this wallet. That means you need to send some Ethereum into this wallet for this wallet to start working fully. So maybe your own by default will be in mainnet. That means this place will be in mainnet. You need to come to click this place and then change it to mainnet, because we are going to use mainnet. In case if your own is in testnet, that means you need to change it to mainnet. So now that we are in mainnet, the next thing you need is to go to your MetaMask. When you go to your MetaMask, copy your address and send Ethereum mainnet from your exchanges. You can use any of these exchanges, whether Binance, Kuken, OKX, Bybit, or any of this. So after you have sent your Ethereum to this your MetaMask, here's my Ethereum, that around $89.8. So after you have finally received your Ethereum, now the next thing you need to go is to, normally Starknet is blockchain on its own. That means a layer 2 blockchain. Starknet is Starknet is a ZK roll up, ZK, which means zero knowledge layer 2, Ethereum layer 2 blockchain. So for us to get our Ethereum there, we need to bridge our mainnet Ethereum to our Starknet. So to do that, we can either use these two link here. You can use this link, which is you can use this link, which is the orbiter.finance. I will drop all the links in the description of this video. Or you can use this main Starknet bridging link, which is the Starknet.starknet.io. So we can use any of the two. So I'm actually need to make this video for the sake of this video, we are going to use Orbiter. The reason is that using Orbiter will make our transaction very faster, because anytime you are using third party, you need to pay some little extra fee to make everything faster than using the ordinary, or let me say normal one. So that is why in this video I'm going to use Orbiter. So when you come to your Orbiter now, here is the Orbiter, but you can also use this. You can also use this main Starknet breeding website. So for this video, let us use this Orbiter. So, and one thing with this Orbiter is that it's like we are stoning two birds with one stone, because Orbiter doesn't have a token. So interacting with Orbiter may also eligible you for Orbiter token one day. So now if you go to your Orbiter, after you select Ethereum at the top, here you need to come and click on this this place and then select Starknet. So now that I have already clicked on, let me change this so that I will show you. So you just need to come to this place and then select Starknet. When you select your Starknet, it should show you to connect your MetaMask. After you connect your MetaMask with your Ethereum mainnet network, you need to also connect it with your Agent X. That is why I advise you to use Mrs. Browser, because you can download extension, a lot of extension with your Mrs. Browser. So now you can click on this Agent X. I'm using Agent X for this tutorial. You can also use this Bravos. So when you click on this Agent X, the next thing you need to go maybe is to check your wallet whether there is any incoming transaction. So there is no any incoming transaction. Yeah. So as because I have already connected it to test it before, that is why I don't need to click on, I don't need to confirm this action. But for your own, it will actually direct you to your Agent X, so that you can click on connect wallet and it will automatically connect, and it will show you all your address here. Here is my Starknet address and my MetaMask address. So when you do that, the next thing is to put the amount you wanted to bridge to your Starknet. So I'm going to bridge some little amount. Let's say 0.4. When I say 0.4 now, I can now click on let me say yeah, let me click on send. Wow. So Starknet is on maintenance. That's what I that's the error I'm getting here. So actually using Starknet, you actually need patience to use Starknet. This is one of the number one number this is number one thing to know. You need patience to use Starknet. Starknet is very, very slow and all this kind of thing. So now that Orbiter is getting issue, let us try the main Starknet bridge website. So let us go to this website, which is the starknet.starknet.io. So when you come to this website, by default it will look like this. So now to start, you need to start by connecting your wallet. That means your two wallet, just the way I told you for the Orbiter. So now you can click on this now, and then click on MetaMask. So when you click on MetaMask, it will connect, and then now click on Starknet. So when you click on Starknet, as you can see, all the wallet have already have successfully connected. So that means I can now try to bridge now. That means taking my Ethereum from my main network to the Starknet network, so that I can interact with the Starknet blockchain. So now let us bridge 0.04. Here's the amount, and then click on transfer. So in case if your Orbiter work, that is fine. In case if it doesn't work, so whenever you are going to bridge this out, you wanted to, maybe after you have tested your Starknet and you do everything, you can now if you wanted to bridge back your Ethereum to your mainnet, you can use the Orbiter. You understand? So that you can just use the two. In case if Orbiter doesn't work for your during your, in case if Orbiter doesn't work, you can use this method now. So click on transfer now. As you can see, I select 0.04. When you click on transfer, it will show you to confirm this in your MetaMask. So wait for it. Yeah, here it is. As you can see, I'm going to bridge this 0. Which $81 worth of. I'm going to bridge $81 worth of Ethereum. Sorry, yeah. All what I will spend is $81 plus the gas fee. The gas fee is around $7. Wow, it's very, very huge. But let's go. Click on confirm now. When you click on confirm, you actually need, if you remember what I say, you need patience to use Starknet. Patience is a virtue. So now let's see what is going here. You see what they are saying here, like the alpha version, you can read it there. Like, it is very, very slow. It will take some hours before your Ethereum reach your wallet. Wow. So now, as you can see, I have already bridged the Ethereum. So the next thing is to wait for it to show in my Starknet wallet. After my balance show in my Starknet wallet, then we can now proceed with the interaction. You are going to do some little swap there. You are going to mint some NFTs, also buy some domain name and all these things. So now I can click on close, because we have already bridged. You see my balance already reduced. So now let's see. Yeah, you can now come to your Eden X and wait for your transaction to come in. Just you can come back after like half an hour or even 1 hour. As I told you from the beginning, you need patience to actually use Starknet. Starknet is very, very lag, very, very slow, all these things. So Now let's wait. So now after some minutes, I just check my Starknet and my Ethereum is ready. As you can see, $73.8 arrived to my arrived to my Agent X wallet. So now, as you can see, we still have some upgrade to do. Maybe you can see this in your own, or maybe you will not see it. Fine. So if you see this on your own, you just need to click on it, upgrade require. When you click on upgrade require, as you can see here is the Starknet improve, all this. So just click on upgrade account. When you click on upgrade account, it will show you to confirm this transaction. And as you can see, here's the network fee. So I'll just click on confirm this, and after I click on confirm this, I just need to wait for it to finish. Then here we go. As you can see, let me just check the as you can see, here's the pending transaction. So you just need to wait for it like 10 to 30 minutes. As I told you, it is very, very slow. So this video may take some long before we complete it, but just have a patient and everything will work fine. Okay, so after some minutes, now we can continue. As you can see, the transaction is now successfully. So now let's go come back to our, yeah, as you can see, now you can start by making some inbuilt swap. So there is inbuilt swap function in this app, which is the Agent X wallet. So I'm going to test it. We are going to interact with it. So if you come to this place, sorry, this place, I mean the second one, let me delete it and show you. If you come to this place, you find there is a swap function. So come to this place. When you click on it, alpha warning, just click on understand, and here. So now, as you can see, you can swap between Ethereum to USDC. So let us try some little here. Let me swap $40 USDC of a to that means I'm swapping 0.0212 to which is equivalent to $40. So now I'll just click on so reviews, and then after I click on review, to show you my transaction before I can proceed. As you can see, warning approving spending limit. Yeah. So as you can see, here's my gas fee. You are paying around 0. You are paying around 0.08 for the gas fee, 0.82 for the gas fee. So now you just need to click on confirm. When you click on confirm, you just need to wait for it like maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then we can now continue with our video. Okay, so here we are. The transaction is successfully. So now, as you can see, I have finally received my dollars, that is the $40. So now you can now swap it back and forth. You can change some, you can use some pairs here to exchange pairs and then interact with. So you can now let me change this. Let me change this to, let me swap this to USDC. Let me put maximum. Let me try 20. When I try 20, I can now click on review swap and then make my swaps. So as you can see, the transaction, the fee is even lower now. It's even lower. So click on confirm. When you click on confirm, then wait for it. So here's what like that's what you are going to do for this. You are going to swap back and forth, repeat, make some multiple numbers of swap. uh try some necessary pair there like USDC, DAI, USDT, and all this. Or if there is one between, you can also try it. Just make sure you make some swap. Let's say 5 to 10 swap. Then after you have made that, you can now proceed with the next step. So the next step is also about swap. We are going to this website. We're going to test this website also. So we have three websites. Even though this the other one is the one that is integrated into the app, we are going to also test it again. Maybe if possible, we can also add some little number, like little liquidity, just to make sure we have interacted it so far. So you can now come to this website, which is the 10K swap. If you come to 10K swaps, 10K swap is also a DEX under Starknet, layer 2 blockchain. So when you come to Starknet, here's the when you come to 10K swap, here's the website, 10kswap.com. When you come to 10kswap.com, you just need to click on this connect wallet. When you click on connect wallet, you are going to select any of this wallet. For this video, for the purpose of this video, we are using agent X. So click on agent X and then approve this in your wallet. So wait for your wallet to pop up, and then you can now click on confirm. So now that you click on confirm, just wait a little. So now that you click on confirm, let us go back to what we are doing. Here it is. As you can see, here it is. Our wallet is successfully connected. So now that our wallet is successfully connected, we can actually make some swap here. Just the way that built-in function is working in our agent X. So we are going to participate. We are going to do some little 1 to 2 swap here, like back and forth, 1 to 2 swap back and forth. So after let us start testing this. Let me use the remaining die to swap it to die, and then let me use I can use 10 of the USDC and then swap it here. As you all see, there is some pending transaction. That is why I'm not going to click on this. I'm not going to click on it. I'm going to wait for this transaction to be completed so that I can start with the testing of the 10K swap. As you can see, as I'm talking, the transaction is now completed. That means we have finally we have successfully swapped that USDC to USDT. As you can see here, it is just even showing. Here's the balance. So now you have to make a lot of transaction here in the app, and after that you can now proceed with this 10K swap. So when you come to this 10K swap, one thing in all this airdrop positioning is that as you are uh, positioning yourself for this Starknet, you are also positioning yourself for these DAO apps that we are interacting with. You see, all this swap, all these decks that doesn't have token, they may later wanted to create their own token and share it with their early supporters. So all this kind of positioning, it may like eligible you to some unexpected reward. So that is why it is good to do it. So now, as you can see, we can swap. Let me swap the USDC to die. Let me swap the USDC to die. Let me swap 20. Let me put it. So let me swap 20 USDT to die. So all these are stable coins. So when I click on confirm, let me click on confirm. So now it will pop up to my agent X, and then I'm going to click on confirm also. So now click on confirm. When I click on confirm, I just need to wait for it and then give it a time, and it will work fine. So let us wait. As you can see, we are going to also wait again. So that is why they are even saying in their app, like, patient is a virtue. Like, you need to wait. You need to wait actually, and I hope this patient will what like will it will what like it will what waiting. So let's wait for it, and then we continue with our tasks. Let me close this since it's already closed. Let me close this. Yeah, here's the one that I'm using. Let me bring it up. So yeah, as you can see, transaction already submitted. You just need to wait for the transaction to be completed. It's pending. So here also you are going to make some transaction. Let's see, 5 to 10. The Abuja 5 to 10 is good. After 5 to 10, we then move to another DAO apps. I think we have 3 decks we need to test. We are going to test 3 of them, inshallah. We are going to test 3 of them, and after that, we are going to move on to another tax specifically. So let me wait. Let me check this. Sorry. Well, I need to open it. Let me see whether the transaction is done. We need to also give it a time on one more. So as you are waiting, yeah, the transaction is still processing. So now that our transaction is done, so you can now let us enter our thank you swap and see. So as you can see, let me do some little refreshment. some little refresh. So now you can see there's still pending, but I think maybe it will be glitch. So you see, here's the data that we received. We actually, the transaction is successfully. So now you can do one to two things here, like adding liquidity. Even though we are not going to add liquidity here, I prefer adding liquidity in JD Swap. So you can make a lot of transactions also here. As I say, you can make like 10, like 5 to 10 transactions, and after that you can now proceed with the next step. So to make everything very, to make this video very very like maybe let's say 1 hour video, so I actually need to skip stuff, like I need to rush everything so that you guys you understand what I mean. So now the next dex we are going to use is this my swap. So let me actually so let's just enter it. Here's the MySwap. MySwap is also a DEX on Starknet. So as you can see the website, myswap.xyz. So when you come to myswap.xyz, the first thing you need to do is to connect your Agent X wallet. When you connect your Agent X wallet, wait for it to pop up in your wallet, then click on connect. So when you finally connect it, the next thing you are going to do is to make some swap also. So we are going to use it as usual, just like the way we use the others. We are going to make some transaction here. Let's say uh 1 5 to 10 transaction is still okay. So let's wait. As you can see what they are saying, patient is a virtual. So I'm going to wait for it a little before you can proceed. So mm, it's taking time. So now that our MySwap is connected successfully with our Agent X, we can now click on this, I understand, and then we can now start swapping. As you can see, my wallet is connected successfully. So now, as usual, when you come to DEX, the only thing you can do like 1 to 2 things, maybe swap and then add liquidity. So for this video, I'm just going to make some swap. Let me swap that DAI uh, to USD. Yeah, DAI to USD. Let me swap 100% of this. Add amount, yeah, let me just put 19.72. So when you put 19.72, then now click on swap now. So now that you click on swap, you just need to wait for your wallet to pop up and then approve this transaction. Yeah, you can now click on this approve, confirm. When you click on confirm, you now wait for it. 10 to 15 minutes is okay. 10 to 15 minutes is okay when the network is not over congested. But if the network is over congested, it may even take to 30 to 1 hour sometimes. So now, as we are waiting, and here's what I wanted to also highlight to you guys. So when you look to this place, you see that there is one green icon there, like one green indicator there. Let me show you. Sorry, like one green indicator here. As you can see it, one green indicator. So that green indicator is showing you that the node you are using, like the mainnet node you are using, is active, is working normally. But sometimes you see the network showing red. This mainnet network, the indicator is showing red. So when the indicator is showing red, that means the network is somehow busy, like you can't use the network that time. So you have to wait for it, maybe the network to be back, and then you can now come to complete your. As you can see, this one, this local host 5050, you can see the network is showing red. That means the network is not available right now. So that is why it's showing red. So that's what I wanted to highlight to you guys, so that maybe doing your own, if the network is somehow down, you may encounter some error. So just wait for it, and then if the green is back, you can now continue with your tasks. So now, as we are waiting for this one to complete, then yeah, let us go back to the, yeah, let us press it. As you can see, our transaction is successfully. You can now go back to our my swap, and then yeah, here we go. As you can see, we have successfully, let me refresh it small so that the USDC will show the full balance. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, my USDC is now 39 USDC. So here is what you as usual, you all know that you need to make some uh numbers of swap, like to and pro, just like make a lot of swap, a lot of volumes, all this. Just make sure you interact well with this. So after that, we can now move to the next task. So the next task is to use the JD swap. So the JD swap is one of the top swap in Starknet. So that is why we are going to use it now. So yeah, so now when you come to JD Swap, the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet as usual. So after you click on connect wallet, then sorry, let me refresh this. Understand? Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing. Let me change it to desktop view. When I change it to desktop view, let's wait for it to finish reloading. So now click on, yeah, when I change it to desktop view, it actually show my wallet. So maybe you should do the same thing with what I did. So now just click on Agent X, since we are using Agent X. When you click on, I'm sorry, I think I clicked the wrong, yeah, oh yeah. So now click on connect. When you click on connect, here we go back to your wallet. Your let me bring it close to my extension. So let us enter it now. Click on connect again. Yeah, as you can see, the wallet is now connected successfully with Starknet mainnet. So now let us start. I just need to make some swap here to and pro. Make some. You can make up to more than 20 transactions here. You know, just make sure you make some 10 more than 10 transactions here. So when you come to this place now, just let me swap this. Let me swap it all maximum. So when I put the maximum, yeah, now click on swap now. When you click on swap, then now you need to confirm this. When you yeah, wait for your wallet to pop up and then approve this transaction. Yeah, here we go. So now you just need to click on confirm, and then you are good to go. Then now you are going to wait for some minutes. So transaction is now done. Then we can now let's go back to the website. Ready swap. Yeah, as you can see, the transaction is now complete. So we can now do another tax here. So as usual, just make sure to do a lot of transaction here. Trade back and forth, swap back and forth. So the next task is to add liquidity. I wanted to add liquidity in this JD swap, and oh, so I need to actually swap. I wanted to add liquidity of maybe Ethereum USDC. So I have to I have to swap some little Ethereum to USDC so that I can be able to add liquidity. Let me just add liquidity of $2. I think that will be enough for me. But if you have more than that, you can add to increase your chances. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to add $2 just to show you how to do that. So let me solve this to the let me solve it. Confirm this. So now yeah, confirm this now. So now that you confirm it, then we wait again. Now that our transaction is done, then let's go back to JD Swap and add the liquidity. So here's the JD Swap. So now our transaction is done. So we are coming to this. Click on this place, which is the pool. You see it here, pool. When you click on pool, so now you can create a pair or add liquidity. So I think I'll just create add liquidity since this pair already exists. So I will select, yeah, make sure it look like this. That means we are going to add liquidity of Ethereum and USDC. So after I do that, to add liquidity, you need to 1-to-1 ratio of all the pair. So now I'll just click on maximum here. So when you click on maximum here, it will show the exact amount, exact dollar worth of Ethereum also. Like here is 1-to-1 ratio. So after that, then you can now click on supply. So when you click on supply now and click on confirm supply, wait for it to show in your wallet, and then confirm this transaction. So here it is. As you can see, we are adding LP, which is liquidity provider. Now click on confirm now. When you click on confirm, so you need to wait. You need to wait for it to be done. Then you can now proceed with the next steps. So now that our liquidity is successfully added, we can now proceed. So we have successfully added liquidity right now. So if you come to this place, you see your pair. Here is your pair that you added, and yeah, you can also manage it. You can remove it if you wanted to remove. You can remove it. So you can also try this feature, which is this. I haven't do it. This one, Zap. So the way Zap work is that when you click on this Zap, if you wanted to add liquidity, you can add liquidity with just one click. So here is how it works. Let's say you wanted to add liquidity of any of this pair. Let's say Ethereum USDC. So when you come to this place, you just need to put the amount of Ethereum you wanted to spend. Let's say you wanted to spend 0.01 Ethereum. So when you put that and click on Zap, it will automatically do everything for you. It will buy the USDC for you and then attach it with your Ethereum, like 1-to-1 ratio. So that's how this Zap is work. That's how this Zap works. That's how it works. Yeah. Maybe you should let us try it. I think we should just try it. So when you click on Zap and you confirm this transaction, so now you just need to confirm this, and then here we go. Confirm, and then wait for the transaction to be done. So it is better. I think it is good to also test 1 to 2 feature you saw there. It will also increase your chances. You don't know. So now let's wait. So now that our Zap is complete, as you can see, the Zap is completed. So you can also come to this pool, and you see we added the same pair, so it will just increase. The pair will just increase, and that's all. As you can see, it also increased. The dollar also increased, around $1 is increased. So here we go. So now that we finish with this, and don't forget to make a lot of trade, a lot of swap here. After you make a lot of swap, then you can now proceed with the next step. So the next step, we are going to create our Starknet domain name. So to do that, we are going to this website, this particular website for Starknet domain name. So I'm using this one. Let me take it to front so that yeah. So when you come to this website, here's the website, app.starknet.id/domain. So the first thing you are going to do when you come to this website is to connect your AgenX wallet. Simple. So when you click on connect, it will take you to your AgenX wallet to approve this. So now click on connect. When you click on connect now, let me change this to desktop view so that I will see everything very clear. I've already done that. Just need to wait for our website to be. So here's the website, apps.starknet.id. So let us check whether this is done. I don't know why sometimes it take longer than expected. So whenever it shows something like this and it is still processing, you can now like you can go back, like you can now go and come back, like give it like hour, everything will work fine. So you can also even clear some browser history and try again. So let's wait. So now our wallet is successfully connected. As you can see from here, you can see our wallet is connected successfully. So now that our wallet is connected successfully, you can now close this, and then now it's time to search for our favorite name, like the name we wanted to buy. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to buy this I'm going to buy this tech class. So make sure to follow, make sure to subscribe to our channel, also turn on notification for more video like this, and don't forget to share this video with families and friends. So now that I type the name, the next thing is just to click on this search icon here. When you click on this search icon, it will search whether the name is available to buy. So now that I click on it, just need to wait. I just need to give it a little time. Let me yeah, you just need to give it a little time, and then you are good to go. So as you can see, the name is available. Here it is. You can see the name is available. So here's the year. You can choose the year you wanted. The more year you put, the higher the price you pay. So I'm going to put 1 year for this, and then here's what I will pay. You see the 0.009, that is around $15, I think. Yeah. So after that, you just need to click on register from L2, this place. So when you click on register from L2, it will direct you to your wallet to approve this transaction. So what I wanted to highlight here for you now is that, as you can see, the mainnet is currently down. That is what I'm telling you that time. When I say if this place is red, that means the mainnet network is overloaded and it is down. So let me show you how it works. Now, even if I click on register this, I can't, like, the wallet, I can't proceed with, I can't verify the transaction in my wallet because the network is very, very bad right now. So let me show you. If you click on this and then wait for your wallet to open, so it will not allow you to confirm this transaction. Here is the error. As you can see, the error here is that you cannot you see, here's the error, and this is happened because our wallet our mainnet wallet is currently down. So we have to wait for it to be up, then we can now continue. That is why from the beginning of this video I told you, if you wanted to interact with Starknet, you have to exercise patience, because if not, you will be frustrated. So now let's wait. We are going to wait. As you can see, the network is currently is bad. So we are going to wait until this place turn to green. So when this place turn to green, then we are good to go. We can now continue with our testing. As you see, all the networks right now are showing all the network right now are showing red. See, all of them are showing red. So we have to wait. Okay, so now that our network is back, as you can see, our network is back, is showing green. That means we can now continue with our tags. So now let's continue with the main with the domain. Your I think I have to connect maybe my, yeah, I have to connect my wallet first so that it will connect with this website. So let me click on this, and then let me click here, agent X. So now here we are good to go. So now I will reduce this to 1. After that, so now let's register from L2. So let's wait for this to finish estimating the gas fee. So as you can see, I'm paying 0.5 gas fee. So click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, you just need to wait for it. After the transaction is done, then we are good to go. Yeah, after the transaction is done, then we are good to go. So as you can see, the transaction is done, and they have removed around, you see, we have successfully minted it. Then if you can check my balance, you see that I think around $15 is deducted from my balance. So, and you can also click on this place to check your collections, your collectible. If you click on it, you see I have 2 domain here. I have 2 domain here. Here is this one. I think is one that I get for free from by doing testnet. So they give us this for free. So, and I think it's late now. It's late. Yeah, it's late. So now the next thing to do here is to set up our Twitter and our Discord. So let us do this. You Now that, let me click on this. Click on this identity. When you click on identity, you see that two there are two domain here. Here's this, and then here's the one that I buy. So you can see this one is metaboss.vip.stack, and this one is so for this one, you can click any of this one. Let me click on this one, and then you can add your socials. That means you can add your Twitter and Discord account here. So I can just come to this place and then click on Twitter. When you click on Twitter, it will direct you to Twitter API, where you need to authorize this action. So I'll just wait for it, then authorize this action. Yeah, when you authorize this, yeah, let me authorize this. So now that you authorize this, you see, you can now click on this verify my Twitter, and then click on it. When you click on verify my Twitter, it will take you to your Starknet account, which is the AgenX wallet, and then you need to confirm this. So when you click on this when you click on the confirmation, you need to wait for the transaction to be done. So after the transaction is done, you can now go ahead and do for Discord also, the same way we did for the Twitter. That's how we are going to do it for the Discord. So just need to wait. Yeah. As you can see, patient is slower. You see these memes? mm, it's slower, but doesn't stop like Saluna. So let's wait. So now that the confirmation is done, we can now go ahead and did the same thing for our Discord. As you can see, congratulations, your Twitter is verified. So you can now go back to your Starknet identity, and then you can now click on this. Discord icon. When you click on it, it will direct you to your Twitter API, where you need to authorize this. But don't forget to also join their Discord, and then follow them on Twitter for any updates, so that you can get it as early as possible. If you can remember, or if you are a member of this channel, you could have remembered that we participated in some few months back. We participated on Starknet ID Odyssey, where we test this Starknet ID, and then we mint the domain name in their testnet. So that is the reason why they give free domain name to us, free subdomain name to us. So nothing to worry. Now click on authorize. When you click on this authorize, it will show you here. Yeah, just the same way we did for the Twitter, and then now you need to also confirm this. So you just need to wait for it, and then you proceed. So now that the confirmation is done, as you can see, we can check this, and then here we go. Probably we'll see the congratulation message that our Discord is verified. So yeah, as you can see, congratulations, your Discord and so whatever is now verified, and here we go. We are good to go. So for this, I think we are done with this Starknet ID. We are done with the Starknet ID. Then we can now proceed with the last but not the least tax. The last but not the least tax is to test Mint Square. As you all know, in our previous video, I show you guys how to buy, sell NFT, and also mint NFT using your Mint Square. So in this video also, we are going to test our Mint Square using Starknet network. So let me use this wallet here, so that make everything look very. Yeah, here is Mint Square. Let me take it down. Yeah, sorry. So Here is mean square. When you enter the website, here's the website, meansquare.io. So I'm going to edit this place. I'm going to remove this because yeah, let me just refresh it. So whenever you come to your mean square, the first thing you are going to start is by changing this network so that to be in the right network. So I'm going to change this to and then take it to Starknet, since we are using Starknet. In our previous video, we used this ZK sync error. So in this video, I'm going to use Starknet. So when you click on the Starknet, uh, now you can now click on this place, which is the wallet icon. When you click on it, it will show you to connect wallet. So click on it. When you click on it, it will show you to choose the wallet you want. So I'm going to use this Agent X for this, and then when I click on the Agent X, it will directly to show me to confirm this connection in in my my wallet. So now you need to just wait for it. Sorry, what is this? Look like something is not right. I don't know why it's popping up. So let me try to control it. Yeah, I think it opened a lot of. Let me just confirm this. Click on this connect. When you click on this connect, you can now go to your mean square and probably it will work. If the network is overloaded, then we need to wait for it so that we can continue with the video. So now here's the mean square. Let me close some of these apps. So I think the wallet is connected. Let me click on it. Click on connect now. Yeah, as you can see now, our wallet is connected successfully, and the as usual, you know, mean square is NFT marketplace. You can buy, sell, mint NFT, create your own NFT and other stuff. So as usual, just the way we did the other video, you just need to first let us start by buying, by minting, by let us buy self, let us buy. You can come to this place, explore. When you click on this explore, then you can now click on this NFT. So I'm going to search for a cheap NFT and then buy it. So the reason why I'm buying the cheap one is that this is just like a testing tax. So I'm just going to I'm just doing it for the video. You understand? So that is why I can't buy this, because this blue chips NFT, this one with a verification tax, they are expensive. So I'm just going to click on this place NFTs. When you click on it, then edit this place. You can now edit this place. When you click on that place, just let me click on it, and then let me click on this price lower to high. So that means it will start from a lowest price to the highest price. So here it is. As you can see, there are a lot of shit here. You can mint anyone you want. You can mint anyone you want for the purpose of interaction. So I think I don't know just this one is just created by people like you. They just create it, like they just mint it to also test these options. So let me just go with this one. Let me buy this one, since this one is cheap. Then let me test it. So here it is. Yeah, I can click on this to place a bid. So I don't wanted to place any bid, so I just wanted to buy it directly, so that I will show you guys. So I will quit from this collection. So I will look for another one and then try it. This one is bid. I just wanted I'm looking for the one that I'll just buy without placing any bid. So let us look for the one with a fixed price, so that we can go with it. Let me just try this one. Yeah, as you can see, this one have a fixed price. I can just click on it, buy now. When you click on the buy now, click on purchase. When you click on the purchase, then you can now confirm this. Wait for the transaction to finish estimating the gas fee and everything, so that you can place your, you can actually. So I think something happened. I'm getting error. Maybe the network, the mainnet network is bad or is down. So maybe that's the reason why we are getting this issue now. So let me check something here. Let me check something here. Let me check whether the network is true. Cancel this. So, and the network is still good. The network is somehow good. If you can check, mainnet network is still green. So I don't know why this is happening. Let me try it once again. Let me try it once again. So let me click on purchase. When I click on purchase, maybe I will try changing the collection and see whether the problem is from the collection. Maybe someone already buy it. So let me just cancel this for now. When I cancel this, I will look for another collection so that I can place my buy. So let me went. Let me just look for any random one. So let me just place this one. This one is also a bid. This one is also a bid. I don't want to place any bid. I'm just looking for the one with fixed price so that I will, yeah. You can check this place if you wanted to confirm whether the one you are on. This one, like this one, you see is top bid. This one is also a bid. So let us look for another simple one so that we can buy it. As you can see, this one doesn't have any bid, so you can click on it so that you can buy. So you can see. Oh, I think I'll just go with this one. Let me try this one, and then click on buy. Click on purchase. Well, wow, still the same issue. Failure, error, network error, and other. Still the same issue. And the network is still fine. So maybe we should try another option, and then later on we can now go with the buy. As you all know, here's how to buy it. In case if you are doing your own, I don't think you'll face something like this. So now let's proceed with the minting of our NFT. So minting means we are going to create our own NFT. We are going to create our own. Yeah. So now let us go to profile. When you go to profile, you can also edit your profile, put in your image, everything there. So, well, when you come to this collections, it's not my collection. So I just find out that the mint function is now removed. If you check our last video, you find out that the mint function is around here. So I don't know whether this is from the mint square. Maybe they changed their terms and condition. Maybe that is why they remove it. Maybe they may be restricting. They may be restricting it to only those with KYC or something like that, so that to avoid being so spamming the platform. So I think that's the case. So but don't forget to buy. You can also you can go there and buy any collection you want, just the way I show you. So after you just buy it for the test, for just interaction, then you can now proceed with the next step. So now that we have finished with the mint square, let's enter our Starknet again and then show you how to bridge out your money back to your Ethereum wallet, so that maybe you can send it to your exchanger or something, or any place you wanted to take it. So as you can see, here is what remain. We have remaining of $43. If you can check the Ethereum value, you find out that we have around 0.024. So to take this Ethereum back to your Ethereum wallet, your MetaMask, you need to repeat the same process we did when sending our Ethereum to this Agent X wallet. So you can either go to the main bridge website for the Starknet, or you can use the third party web, which is the you can use the Orbiter. I prefer using the Orbiter. Yes, I prefer using the Orbiter. If you can remember, our first bridge we use the native bridge site. So it's better to diversify your interaction so that you interact with more other apps. So now I think let's use this Orbiter Finance. Let me refresh it a little. So when you come to Orbiter, the first thing you are going to do is to connect with your Ethereum as usual. So now let's wait. So now that your wallet is connected successfully, you can find out that our two wallet is now here. If you check the first video in our the first video that I did, you find I show you how to do this connection, which is very simple. So when your wallet is successfully connected, the first thing you have to do is to click on this place. And when you click on it, it will also look the same thing with my own. Your Starknet will be the one at the top, and then your Ethereum will be the one at the bottom. So that means you are saying that you are going to transfer your Ethereum from your Starknet to your mainnet Ethereum. So that's what that means. So after you have done this, then from here you can now type the amount you wanted to bridge back to your Ethereum mainnet. So that is why I type little amount here, because sometimes you cannot bridge all the Ethereum left there. Let's say you try 0.8, you'll find out that you can't do that because you have insufficient fund. So you need to know how to do this. So for this, if I put 0.17, you see it will be enough for me to bridge out. So when you do that, the next thing to do is to click on this send. When you click on this send, it will show you the transaction details. That means you are going to spend 0.06 Ethereum for the 0.06 Ethereum for the withdrawal fee, and then bridging back to Ethereum is actually cost. So that is why. So after that, you can now click on this confirm and send. So when you click on this confirm and send, it will show the transaction will show on your Agent X wallet to confirm this. So here's if you click on this confirm, when you click on it, here's the gas fee you are going to pay, and then when you click on confirm, I'm not going to click on confirm right now because I have some I have something to do before that. So when you click on confirm, it will show you something around here, like you see a rocket flying from Starknet logo to Ethereum mainnet logo. That means it is processing. So like if you're done with that, after like 4 to 5 hours, you can now come back and check your Ethereum. That means your MetaMask wallet, and probably you'll find out that your Ethereum is now back to your wallet. So when your Ethereum is now back to your wallet, you can send it any place you want. You can send it to your exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and other stuff, so that you can maybe sell it or even use it for something else. So after that means we are done. So guys, this will be the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification for more video like this. Thank you guys for watching this video, and have a wonderful day. Thank you guys.